times. The real risk isn't crime, it's investing, especially with borrowed money leverage. Don't do that.
So the core advice is?
Only invest what you are absolutely 100% prepared to lose. Treat it like risk capital.
Gotcha. Okay, so moving beyond the basics, the sources talk a lot about why people are even looking at crypto, tying it to bigger economic trends. Fiat debasement.
Yeah, this is fundamental. Look at the US dollar's purchasing power over the last century. The charts are, frankly, startling. It's lost so much value.
Because governments keep printing more.
Pretty much. To pay debts, fund spending, stimulate economies. Whatever the reason, more money chasing the same goods means each dollar buys less. Inflation. Debasement.
And this isn't just a blip, it's a long-term thing.
That's what they call a secular trend. A long one-way street. Fiat value goes down over decades. So people look for assets that don't do that. Gold, stocks, real estate. And now, maybe Bitcoin, because it has that fixed supply.
So you have these big secular trends